I'm Sandra, and today I'm sharing some egg shaker activities. In today's video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to use egg shakers in your classroom or at home with your young children. The activities are going to cover beat, rhythm, and tempo. Here's a couple of teaching tips. So if you're dealing with young children who have not played with the egg shaker before and you just want them to get to know it, then we're going to say, Mr. Egg Shaker or Ms. or the Egg Shaker is our friend, and we want to treat our friends nicely. And so we're not shaking and bouncing or throwing them around. We're going to leave them on the floor until we hear the music. And when we hear the music, then we're going to pick up our egg shaker friend and we're going to play it with the music. Who's listening? I hear music, and then we can get our shaker up and then we'll play and then stop the music, and then everybody, dramatically when you're first teaching, gets it down on the floor. And if you do that a couple times, by the time you do it the third, fourth time, everybody will know that they leave their shakers on the floor first, and then when they hear the music. Another tip with that is to give a lot of leeway, especially if you're in kindergarten and under ages. So if they're picking it up before the music, we don't want to stop the flow and keep reminding. We're just going to give them leeway because slowly but surely everybody will get the idea. Activity number one. Activity number one is a familiar one to a lot of people. It's called hot egg, and everyone is going to have an egg shaker. They're going to be sitting in a circle. So hot egg can be used as a tempo activity. So you choose the music, and you might want to have one slow song and one fast song. So you could choose something like Aquarium for the slow song and Rimsky-Korsakov, Flight of the Bumblebee for the fast song, and then use those in this activity. And basically, it's like a freeze dance. So we're going to have our egg shakers and we're going to put them on the floor. And then we're going to listen for the music. We can give them a little visual cue that we're listening and look around. Is everybody ready? Everybody's ready. And then play the music, and then they're going to pick it up and just let them play whatever they're feeling to the music. Don't worry about it at the first time you're doing this activity. And then stop the music and freeze, and then check to see, is everybody freezing? And just wait a minute, and then turn the music back on. And then you're just going to see who is responding to the music and just go with that. But try to switch between the two tempos. And then this activity shouldn't probably go for too long. Even 3 minutes might be total amount of time once you get going on the actual playing the shaker and freezing. Later, after you've played the game sitting down, you can do this song with some movement. As long as, you can trust them to stay in their spaces, or if you want them to move in a circle together. But I would do it in their spaces first and just let them get comfortable with that level. And so if they're playing the slow song, it might be fish swimming, there might be bumblebees. Just add in the movement to whatever musical selection you choose. Later in the year, if you've done these steps throughout the school year or just, the class times, then you can then have them really move. So then you can have bees buzzing and you teach them to stay in their bubble space and they can be buzzing around. And then when the music stops, it's freeze. So hot egg can be a great brain break, just a transition or a refocus activity too. Egg shakers don't take that long to hand out, and you could just have everybody in the circle quickly, pass them around, put on some music. It will probably get everyone quiet, and they'll be worried about playing their shaker and not talking. So it may seem like a very active, engaging, loud type of activity, but it can be used as a transition to go into a quieter activity like reading a book or working in stations or doing a worksheet or something. And maybe you've done freeze dance and now you're going to sit in the circle and do freeze shakers. And then they're going to do some kind of high-low worksheet after that. So that's just a little tip on using these activities in a music class lesson. So the next activity is going to be focusing on the beat. I like to use the song, The Ants Go Marching One by One. Even second graders like to sing that song. And so we can have an egg shaker in our hand, and I would have them just sit on the floor and play the beat with the egg shaker to the music, singing along without any movement to start with. So that's just going to be lesson 1. We're feeling the beat. Ants go marching one by one. And you can add in a hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. Hurrah, hurrah. Just keep them right here, feeling that beat the whole way through. Then the next level of that activity would be to have them march in a circle. And I found that marching in a circle together is really a first grade and up skill, or at the very end of kindergarten, they might be able to do it. And so instead of marching around the circle, you just have them march in place. And that works really good with pre-K and K, is just stay in their little spaces. And you could move around the room, which I've done, and you move this way around. And so then you say, keep your eyes on me and just turn in your space. So they'll be marching like this in their little spaces because you're moving around and they're following you. So you can get in a little bit of movement with those younger children, but they're not trying to follow each other around a circle. And then the next level of that would be to add in some actions, and second graders, first graders at the end, second graders really like to do this. They're gonna like to crouch down in the actions of the song. Ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stopped to suck his thumb. And then I have them do crouching down, and they all went marching down to the ground to get of the wing. So if you can play the piano to it, then you can slow down the tempo and give them a chance to really show some fun, dramatic movement while they're singing the song. So that's a really fun activity to practice the steady beat using the Ants Go Marching one by one. All right, the next activity is playing rhythms. There's a couple different ways you can learn rhythms or have them practice rhythms using an egg shaker. This is a great way to just warm everybody up before you might be going to play more complicated things on the instruments, or you might be having them write rhythms or play a rhythm game. So you're going to warm up by just playing echo rhythms. You can start first and you play a rhythm, and then you have everybody echo back to you. Then with your second and third, and if you could try this with fourth graders, just depends on your kiddos, you're going to then choose someone to come up and take your place, and they'll be the leader. You could have your set of standard flashcards for that grade where the student in the front just can play those rhythm cards, or a lot of people now have their PowerPoint presentations with the rhythms on them, and you could have that play and have this person go first and the class echo it. There's lots, and just put your computer in front of the student. There's lots of different ways that you can have an echo play with the rhythms going on. Another way to use shakers for a rhythm activity is to put on one of the YouTube rhythm play-alongs, or you can get rhythm play-alongs. We have a whole bunch of them at Sing, Play, Create. And you put the rhythm play-along, and I like to go through the video pausing at each rhythm first, and then have them practice that. And then we turn on the play-along so that they're getting a little practice and can see ahead what's coming, so that it's not so much movement and trying to look up and play a shaker at the same time. For some of them, that might be difficult. Rhythm play-alongs give you lots of opportunities to teach rhythms, reinforce those skills, practice them, and then you can even have students sit in groups, and you can say, I'm going to point to the group, and it's their turn to play. And you can play it as a little game, and you can extend that rhythm play along into a 5 to 7, 8, maybe even 10-minute activity just by diversifying the things you're going to do with that rhythm play along. So the first idea with rhythm play alongs is to pause the video, play each rhythm pattern. Then you can play through the video with everybody playing. Then you can divide students up into small groups, and you can point to the groups whose turn it is to play. And then also with rhythms, you can have an echo play game. It can be a warm-up. Once you teach that game to your students, especially in third grade, you can have the students self-manage that game while you're walking around the room helping someone else. You might need to do classroom management while they're playing that game. You might need to, take roll, whatever it is you need to do. These kinds of games are great to have in your teaching back pocket so that you teach the students how to do it. You do them often enough, repeat, so that within 2 months' time, they can do that game without any help from you. If someone were to walk in the room, you could be back and eating pizza, and your kids would be playing this game, and they would be doing a great job at it. So playing rhythm with egg shakers is another fun activity you can do in your music classroom. The last activity is for our younger friends who are going to help them learn their colors. If you only have this kind of maraca or this kind of egg shaker, you could tie a ribbon onto it of different colors so that they could see, and then they can see that, they have a red ribbon or a green ribbon. And in the song, it's Shake Your Egg Any Color. That's when everybody does the egg shaker. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your egg any color. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your egg, shake your egg, shake, shake, shake. And then it says, shake your egg if it's, and it calls out a color. So then if it says purple, just the purple ones are going to go. If it says red, just the red ones. And I have seen this be such a fun activity for the kindergartners because they really are reinforcing their colors and they want to show off. They know their colors, and that's something that they can do. And so it's really fun to see them go, oh yeah, mine's yellow, and they're so excited because they know it's their turn to play. They're also learning to take turns, so this is a great take your turn activity you can do with your kindergarten and under classes. It's called Shake Your Egg Any Color. It's on all those music channels, Spotify, Amazon, Apple, and there is a YouTube video you can use to play this activity with.
Shake your egg any color. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your egg any color. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your egg, shake your egg. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your egg, shake your egg. Shake, shake, shake. shake, shake. Shake your egg, shake your egg, shake, shake, shake. Shake your egg, shake your egg, shake, shake, shake. Shake your egg, if it's purple, shake, shake, shake. Shake your egg, if it's purple, shake, shake, shake. Shake your egg, shake your egg, shake, shake, shake. Shake your egg, shake your egg, shake, shake, shake. Shake your egg, if it's pink, shake, shake, shake. Shake your egg, if it's pink, shake, shake, shake. Shake your egg, shake your egg, shake, shake, shake. Shake your egg, shake your egg, shake, shake, shake. Shake your egg, any color, shake, shake, shake. Shake your egg, any color, shake, shake, shake. Shake your egg, shake your egg, shake, shake, shake. Shake your egg, shake your egg, shake, shake, shake.
Egg shakers can be a really fun activity that you can do any time of year, not just in the spring, not just around Easter. They can be a good break, they can be a good refocus activity, and they can help you teach music concepts. And I have found that games work really well to teach things. So I give you lots of ideas for games and activities. So I'm hoping that these egg shaker activities will help you in your music classroom, help your students to learn music and have a good time. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.